A snow day, but for kids within Laramie County School District 1, they haven't seen one in over 3 years. So what does it take for school to be canceled or delayed? In this next story, News Channel 5 answers your questions. Jenna Browder reports.
Drive down any road in Cheyenne, and chances are it's covered in slush and snow. But that's not stopping any of these drivers, and it's not stopping Laramie County School District 1 either. Parents are frustrated. Here on Facebook, Yarby Young writes, Laramie County School District 1 never closes. It's ridiculous. Others want answers. Here, Holly Berger writes, what is the policy for Laramie County School District 1 to actually close?
We do have a delayed start protocol in place. What we find, though, when you have a district our size, logistically, it's much more difficult to do a delayed start than it would be, say, in Laramie 2.
David Bartlett says any closure or delay has to be called in by 5:30 in the morning.
And obviously a lot goes into making that call. Usually we start about 3 o'clock in the morning. We have crews out on the snowplow crews and transportation folks, myself as well. We're out driving roads. We're communicating with the National Weather Service.
This time they decided the roads were okay. These kids and their parents will have to keep waiting for that snow day. Reporting in Cheyenne, Jenna Browder, CBS News Channel 5.
There are about 13,000 kids in Laramie County School District 1. Bartlett says for those in rural areas, bus routes were canceled twice last year.
Legislative reports brought to you by the WEA and the Petroleum Association.